Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
All right, so we've talked about how machine learning models are trained, tested, and evaluated. But there's one thing that often trips people up: overfitting. Now, what's that? Imagine you're preparing for an exam, and instead of understanding the concepts, you just memorize every single question from last year's paper. You ace the mock test, but when the real exam comes, and the questions are slightly different, you get stuck. That's exactly what happens with an overfitted model. It's memorized the training data instead of actually understanding the patterns. When new, unseen data comes in, it fails to predict correctly. That's why in machine learning, we always make sure the model doesn't just memorize. It needs to generalize. We do that by adding some noise to the data, by simplifying the model, or by validating it on multiple datasets. It is like giving the student more diverse practice so they actually learn the logic behind the problem. Now, once your model is learning properly and performing well, it's time to put it into the real world. We call that deployment. That's when it starts working inside applications, predicting prices, detecting fraud, recommending movies, or even helping autonomous cars make decisions. But here's the catch: the learning doesn't stop there. Data changes over time. Markets shift, user behavior evolves, and trends move fast. So, just like humans, these models need continuous retraining. That's where MLOps comes in: managing, monitoring, and improving models after they go live. So when you think about how machine learning models actually learn, it's not magic. It's a process that's very similar to how we humans learn anything new. We look at examples, make guesses, get feedback, adjust, and slowly get better over time. That's the real beauty of machine learning. It is not just about math or coding, it is about teaching machines how to learn from experience. And if you're someone starting your journey in AI or data science, remember this: understanding how models learn is far more powerful than just knowing which model to use. Because once you get that, you can literally teach a machine to learn anything, from predicting prices to recognizing emotions. So that's all for today's session on how machine learning models actually learn. If this helped you understand the concept better, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. And tell me in the comments, what would you like me to explain next? Maybe neural networks, or how foundation models actually work behind the scenes.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetguide.net.